Moloco Studio helps mobile apps realize their true potential by using creative and data-driven strategies that engage users and increase conversions. Informed by an abundance of contextual data, we design high-performing creative concepts and quickly scale the most successful campaigns. Our creative team uses your brand assets to build customized creatives that drive the most engaging ad experiences for every audience. We track impression to installs and in-app events to ensure that your app is reaching the right audiences at the right time. Our unique approach to optimizing creatives allows us to scale with ease and quickly adapt, ensuring we outperform even the most demanding performance metrics. We leverage our custom machine learning algorithms to secure the most impressions and highest quality users, utilizing our performance-driven ad creatives to keep your brand identity at the core. Our team covers a wide range of disciplines, and we are committed to bringing innovation to mobile advertising. We've launched over 120,000 campaigns in gaming, finance, and e-commerce. Our deep understanding of users' needs translates to guaranteed success based on your target KPIs. Moloco is the industry's best testing platform solution to analyze and identify winning mobile experiences for your app. Discover how Moloco Studio can take your app to the top.